All utilities every year suffer accidents associated with their customer base raising ladders up to do various different types of work, such as construction, painting, roofing, cleaning the gutters, Christmas lights, and tree trimming. Unfortunately, it does make a difference what you have in your hand and how conductive it is that will determine how much damage is done to the body. In many cases, they raise the ladders up. They don't want to bring the ladders back down, and as they try to move them, they lose control over them, and those ladders will get into overhead lines. Let's see what happens.
Key on. Clear.
Clear.
Coming hot. Key off.
In this case, you can see how devastating that electrical contact was. As current traveled through Nita Moore's body, that resistance of the current from bone and tissue equals heat. These are very devastating injuries to try to recover from, and in many cases, people don't walk away.